Hey everyone, my name is Maggie and I'm a product marketer at Team-GPT. Today I'm excited to show you our brand new prompt builder. If you ever started a blank page wondering how to start your AI chat, this feature is going to change everything for you. The prompt builder helps you create, save and organize prompts that you can use again and again. You can access the prompt builder from the tools section in Team-GPT. First, you'll need to describe your task. I need to create a social media post based on product and target audience. You can also start with some pre-made examples. Next, the prompt builder will ask you some follow-up questions that are different based on your task. These are optional, but keep in mind that giving more context to the AI will help it produce better results. You can also add more questions. And there we have it, the perfect prompt including a persona, context, and the task. You can also further iterate on it if you wish. From here on, you can either copy the prompt or save it in your prompt library and reuse it for many conversations. This will help you build your team's knowledge base. Now I can start a new chat in a project of mine, which has a project knowledge, and add my prompt. So let's recap. You'll no longer need to start with a blank page. Instead, you can start with a ready-made prompt. You will create consistent and quality AI outputs across your team, and the prompt builder will help you build your workspace knowledge base according to your specific use case. You will also save time by reusing prompts rather than writing them from scratch. Thank you so much for watching and let us know what you think.